everybody blood as a tissue. Histology consists of four main elements: the erythrocyte, RBCs, red blood cells, leukocyte, WBCs, white blood cells, granulocytes, agranulocytes, platelets, thrombocytes, blood smear. We take a blood smear and put it and stain it using right stain. Aspirate bone, sternum. We take a sample from the bone marrow, from the sternum, from the iliac crest for bone marrow smear. This the erythrocyte numerous from 5 million per ml. Mature cells has no nucleus. Organelles transport oxygen and CO2. Dysfunction: stem RBCs, the stem cell. The RBCs are concave in shape, increase surface area to 30% readily deformed, pass through capillaries. Cytoskeleton is unique. Septrin is major protein. Hemoglobin, energy from anaerobic respiration of glucose, no mitochondria present. Lifespan is 120 days, removed by spleen and liver. Very important. TM, reticulocyte with few organelles. RBCs in capillaries. Neutrophil, this is its appearance under the microscope. Neutrophil, mature, almost, this is mature neutrophil. Neutrophil characteristic: 60 to 70% leukocyte, diameter 10 to 20 microliter. Nucleus is 2 to 8 loops. Chromatin in dense coarse lumps. Drumstick on loop. In 30% of neutrophil in the female. It's called pore body. Neutrophil, mature and younger. This is younger, this is mature. Movement by pseudopodia, engulfed bacteria. Neutrophil polymorph, produced in bone marrow, granulocyte, high motile, phagocytic, acute inflammatory response to tissue injury, just destroy damaged tissue and bacteria. Lifetime activity consists of 1% of phagocytosis. Neutrophil, 5 loops under electron microscope. Primary granule and lysosomes. Secondary granules, secretory, contain substance for inflammatory process. Complement activation, leukocyte adhesion, bacterial cell wall lysis, few other organelles, mitochondria, glycogen for glycolysis in auto-dependent areas. This is the basophil. Basophil characteristic: less than 1% of the leukocytes, diameter 40 micrometer, formed in red bone marrow. Nucleus large and bi-looped. Chromatin is more finely structured, so nucleus is more pale staining. Cytoplasm filled with large dark blue staining granules, which may obscure the nucleus. Blackberry appearance. Basophil function: immunological response to parasites. Contain many mediators for inflammatory response closely related to the mast cells. Basophils and mast cells bind to IgA produced in response to allergen, trigger rapid exocytosis of granule, contain degranulation. This is the cause of immediate hypersensitivity reaction. Characteristic of allergic rhinitis, some forms of asthma, urticaria, anaphylactic shock. Asthma, urticaria and anaphylactic shock. Basophil, bi-looped nucleus, granules, contain heparin, leukotriene, histamine, mitochondria, ribosome, glycogen and cytoplasm. Eosinophil characteristic up to 5% of the leukocytes, diameter 20 to 15 microliter, nucleus usually bilooped, chromatin clumped but not as dense as in neutrophil, cytoplasm filled with numerous large eosinophil acidophilic granules which stain pale pink. Function of eosinophil: phagocytolytic, dense against parasite, defense against parasite, release granules against parasites which are injured by enzyme, undergo chemotaxis and response to bacteria, but preferentially response to basophil and mast cells. In electron microscope, eosinophil specific granule stain reddish. S granules contain many hydrolytic enzymes, contain glycogen, some mitochondria. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Thank you.